and they beefed our security. And it's just a few yards from entering the church. And we have several services, 4 services on Sunday. So this group goes in, this group comes in, this group. So it's very hard to really monitor everything. But we thank God, number one. Number two, we thank our security agencies. And we also want our security people here because they put up, I think, a resistance so that these terrorists will not walk through to harm the church. The bomb is very dangerous, very, very dangerous. It would have done a lot of harm. Probably it would have brought down the whole church. But we want to thank God for His protection. And this is my message to all Ugandans. Please, let's be vigilant. This is not a hoax. This is not something that people are used to, because it's very easy when you hear these messages that terrorists are coming, and say, I've had it before. I have had it before. If there was no vigilance today, probably we would be now mourning. So I'm appealing to every Ugandan, wherever you are, to watch. This guy knew what he was doing. He brought a flask. That's why he put his bomb and food flask in order to hurt people, innocent people. But we're thanking God, thank our security agents, and pray for them as well, that God will continue give them abilities in order to do that. So for that, we are grateful. Thank you, Lord.